A friend of mine asked me, what's the worst thing about missing you? And I tell her it's Saturday mornings, hands down, when the kids are asleep and I sip my coffee, your favorite one, and where we used to have breakfast. Now I do it all alone. It's Saturday mornings, hands down, and I miss you every day. That's true. But the worst of all days is that day when we used to talk hours while the kids gently sleep. And now, while I gently weep, it's Saturday mornings, hands down, no run around. It's Saturday mornings, hands down. Back when we used to imagine our lives without them, when they would have outgrown us, just like all children do. Don't worry, I told you there will still be me and you. It's Saturday